está muerto ya. So Daddy, what's next, bro? Got a 100 shot.
I did.
Did you? Okay, good. Good, mijo. ¿Y la papi? Puta madre.
Nasht. Well,
Milan,
what are you up? Hold up. Boy,
the 100
pause to the
shot.
next.
Tell him the 100 shot.
You know, never mind. Let's just go.
Stay over here, bro.
It's not worth it. Independent Day. Yeah. Y te queda para el tiempo, yo pillo. Oh, dang. Oh. Come on. Wait, that was it. Never mind. Really, how much stocks does this have? Double. That was epic. Wow.
What you want, Milan? What?
Huh? Wait. Wait. Wait.
Milan, 100 shot.
What you want? What you want? This one here, 100.
Hold up. Wait. The car coming.
It's okay. What you want? Well, come on, Mila. Yeah.
This one. 28 shots.
Yes?
Yeah.
Go, Daddy.
Come on, man.
Boom. Boom.
Like being a little scary cat. Scared cat. Okay, come on. While we wait, I can show you guys another fireworks which I can't see. Huh? No, never mind. Over there, that just lighted up. What the- I'm staying behind here because I'm recording a video. But I don't want to leak our address because I'm right next to the car. Hope not. Yo, what are you doing? What you doing? No way. I got you. Bro, there's no way. Oh, kaboom time. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. Yo, 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 yo. And then a boom, boom, frrr, and a frrr, frrr, boom, 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 frrr, a frrr, a frrr, a I'm sorry, guys, for like I only showed you like half of the fireworks, but ooh, wait, that was actually clean. Look at that. Oh my God. What? It's gonna be kaboom time. It's kaboom time. What the? Whoa! Oh my God, my legs! Whoa. Wow. Wow. Absolutely. It hit a little bit on our car. So, don't know what to do. Oh, here comes a car. Ouch. I just stepped on a rock. Huh?
What do you want next? Mira, préndelo.
This one.
Mira, préndelo, préndelo. Préndelo, mira,
Yes! We're saving the big ones!
You just record it and get out of there. Come on.
See a big one for your ass.
No, mira, los niños no lo prenden. Los niños no juegan con eso.
Where's Elijah being a little scaredy cat?
It's in the sofa.
No, joda.
Oh, kaboom time, kaboom, kaboom. That was it? Oh yeah, that was it because it's small. Is it kaboom time already? Oh shit. No way.
Coca-Cola.
We gotta get a little bit of that. Is it kaboom time yet?
Con 2.99 de interés más 500 en efectivo o arriéndale por 219 al mes. Celebra el 4 de julio con una gran oferta.
Desde ahora y hasta
Wait, blue.
obtén una increíble oferta en colchones. Tu elección entre 3 marcas super famosas de Rooms to Go. Ahora es más fácil comprar tu colchón.
Alright, it's probably kaboom time. It's kaboom time, y'all. What?
No.
No way.
There's one shot.
One shot? Only one? Wow. Sucked anyways. Alright, next cannon with only one shot, y'all. That's it.
Aaron,
What you want? I'm not staying over there.
that was only one shot. Oh.
Let me pick the other one. Dad.
Careful. Careful. Careful.
They can run. Put it reverse here. Put it reverse here. Put it reverse. Is that roll? No. Boom boom the boom boom, so the boom boom is the boom boom, so the boom boom is boom boom boom. Come on, man. There's no way. Alright, next cannon with only one shot again. What do you want? What? More? There's more? I just missed that. Here comes the next kaboom. War of the World scene, bro. There's no way. Let's go. This one's different. 9 shots, y'all. That one was red. Now that one was red. That's green. My own. Dabs. Pops. Pop.
Which one? This?
Bob. Okay, I'm gonna find a place to sit. Well, those cars ain't working. Pops. Pop. Come on. Let this be epic. Peak fireworks. That's it? Oh yeah, because it's only one show. And then, come on, man. Let this be epic. I want it to be epic. Epic video. Oh, come on, man. You really had to ruin our firework like that? Oh, come on, man. Who your cheap ass car? Cheap ass car. Here comes another one shell. Wow. Oh no. Whoa. Well, that one almost hit a car, but how much shots does this thing really have? How many shots does this thing have?
Huh?
How much shots does this thing have?
I don't know. You picked that shit up, right?
They gave us it for free. Alright, is it out? No? You gotta be telling me it's out.
Hey, mijo,
Okay, probably not.
you American?
Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah, I am American. Oh, it's already starting. Whoa. I feel like that's an atomic bomb, bro. What in the world? Okay, dads. You know what? Do that one.
Yes? That's the sharky one.
Do that one. There's no way. Este que era para el tiempo. I just don't want this.
Come over here. Hey. Hey.
Dile, no va a aprender.
What do you want?
Come. Come here. Check this out.
Come on. Alright, big boom time. Yeah, it's gonna be peak, bro. It's gonna be epic. That's it.
How are you, all right? How's it going?
America.
Bobby?
These are all from Black Cat, y'all. Make sure to go see out Black Cat. They have epic fireworks, y'all. So, go check them out. But Black Cat fireworks are in America. I don't know where the address is because I don't know. So, alright, let's cut boom time. We have 2 fireworks, y'all. Y'all, we have 2 fireworks. We have 2 fireworks. My legs are killing me. Y'all, in the comments, should I get a chair? Should I get a chair? Because my legs are killing me. My legs are killing me right now. Oh, I have no choice, bro. But I'm risking it for y'all. Remember to like and subscribe. The hell? Alright, y'all, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to pass my dad on 100 subscribers. Make sure this video gets a lot of likes for peak content. That was it? Never mind. Yeah, it's only one shell. It's one shell. One shell, guys. One shell. Yo, hold up. Why did I almost hit our house? Yo, nah. America.
Hey. Calm down.
Light that bitch on fire. I forgot.
Good job. How much you spent today? How much money?
I don't know. I forgot recording. This video might be taken down, y'all.
You don't know?
Alright, please, YouTube, please don't share, please don't, oh, take it down mine. YouTube, please don't take down this video. I am begging you, I am very sorry for that word. I mean it. Age-old question. They never knew. And they will never. In their life. Oh, is that Wheatley from Portal? We don't care about Wheeler. Firework time. Whoa. How much do we have?
Good job, Mila. Good job. Mila, good job.
2 cars inbound.
Yeah. Mila, yeah.
Hold up. Scarvin. I'm risking it for you.
Mila, this way. Hello?
I'm running after it starts.
Mijo.
I'm running. I'm booking it. I'm gonna book it. I'm gonna book it, y'all. I'm gonna book it. I'm booking it. I'm booking it. I'm booking it.
Corre.
I'm booking it. Oh, shit. On fire. Take down my video. Gotta go inside after this. It's burning out here. Is this our last fireworks?
One more.
Well, can you hurry up? First outside vlog. No, may if this vid gets if this video gets 200 likes, I'll record an airport vlog on Monday 15. Monday 15 is when we're going to the Bahamas, y'all. Is that all? Is that everything? That's everything?
Yes, Papi.
Alright.
I promise. Next year, we'll do the best. Besito.
Love you.
Love you, mijito. Look at me.
No, pero tan chiquito.
Alright. Finally back home.
Sí, se acabó el partido, fuimos a tiros en tiro penal. Ahí fue increíble. Messi falla el primer tiro.
Hi,
Sin embargo,
Blue.
fue el portero de la
Hi.
albiceleste se vistió.
Blue, say hi to the channel. Roof. Hi. Okay, y'all, you said hi. This is what we'll be cooking up today. Oh, feels nice to be back inside the house. Inside vlog, real. Say hello to my fish, y'all. Type if you saw my fish.
No te convenció mucho. Ganamos, sí.
Blue, we have to stay to channel. Blue.
Y bueno, se llevó a lo que se tenía que hacer.
Finally, some peace and quiet. Alright, y'all, that's everything for this video. If this video gets 200 likes, I'll record a airport vlog on Monday 15. Alright, peace out.